This Century 21 At Your Service Realty property video is presented by Ken and Ruthie Welch. Bring the horses. This home was built in 2006 with 2,208 square foot living area on 5 acres. Downstairs there is a master bedroom suite with double French doors that lead to the wraparound porch area, laundry room, dining room with a bay window, kitchen, living room with a stone-faced wood-burning fireplace and a wraparound porch. Upstairs there is a second bedroom, second bathroom and a loft area that is used as the third bedroom. The house is built with concrete block and hardy board siding downstairs and wood frame with hardy board siding upstairs, and has gutters and downspouts. Outside under the oak hammock you will find a built-in drive-through 2-car carport and a detached 29 by 29 metal building used as a garage/workshop that has a concrete floor and insulation. There's a small pond with a wooden deck that's stocked with catfish, a round pen, pole barn, 2 horse stalls, and a storage building used for horse feed and tack. The entire property is fenced and has several fenced pasture areas for horse rotation or separation. All kitchen appliances are included. There is also a circular drive with room to pull the horse trailer. This property is zoned for Lake Wales Charter Schools and Polk County Public Schools. For more information,